How to start running when you are overweight. I love myself and I hate to say it, pero I don't like how I look. Ang weight ko currently at 5'9", I am at 180 pounds. That gives me 28 BMI. So, overweight ako. What I don't like with my current physique is yung chan ko. Frustration siya for me. So, ang goal ko is to lose weight and paliitin yung chan ko. So, in this video, I'll share with you kung ano yung experiences ko when I started running. Starting can be difficult, pero kaya mo yan. Sa una is kailangan mo lang i-manage yung expectation mo. When you start, hindi ka agad magiging mabilis sa pagtakbo and hindi immediately magre-reflect yung pag-lose mo ng weight. So, you have to stay consistent and continue ka lang kung ano yung training plan mo. Lagi mong iisipin yung goal mo and hindi mo kailangan na lagi kang motivated. Kailangan is discipline ka lang and continue on working on your goal. So sa start, important to understand na okay lang mag-walk and run. Okay lang naman yun. As long as nag-effort ka and lumalabas ka ng bahay nyo to exercise, win na yun for you. Also, focus on time spent running rather than the distance. As mentioned earlier, okay lang na mag-walk and run. What I did before was, nagra-run ako ng 1 minute and then nag-walk ako for 30 seconds. And as I progress and improve, binabawasan ko yung time for walking and then ini-increase ko yung time for running. So in this way, hindi mo fino-force yung katawan mo to go over the limit, pero nai-hit mo yung mga goal time mo. Let's go. 2 kilometers done. Ang goal ko today is lumabas lang. Ito ako. Good morning. Next thing to consider is to strength train. Importante na mag-strength train para ma-develop yung muscle and para ma-prevent yung injuries. Overweight tayo, so meaning possible na hindi kaya ng joints natin and muscle natin yung training na gagawin natin. Sa case ko, nag-enroll ako sa Pound for Pound San Pedro. Doon is circuit training yung ginagawa. Okay lang siya for beginners. Pero hindi mo kailangan mag-enroll sa mga gyms. Squats and lunges is enough na. If may dumbbells ka, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin. Marami instructions or guides sa internet na pwede kang sundin. Incorporate mo yung strength training at least once a week sa training plan mo. So last, try your best to be consistent and keep running. If may setback, pwede kang mag-rest mga 1 day. Pero as much as possible, iwasan mong mag-skip ng 2 consecutive workouts. Kasi may tendency na tamarin ka na. Sayang naman yung progress na nagawa mo. Again, hindi magiging madali tong journey na to. We just have to be consistent with it. Endure natin yung pain, both physically and mentally. Kasi again, mag-start tayo from zero and meron tayong goal. So, para mapadali yung journey mo, you can get a coach, build a plan. Pwede rin na mag-join ka ng run club. Kasi when you run with other people, mamomotivate ka and mapupush ka na mag-proceed pa sa journey mo. Sana nakatulong sa itong video na to. And if you're watching and nasa journey ka din ng pagtakbo, kahit overweight, comment ka kung ano yung mabibigay mo sa akin na advice and if may advice na pwede ko mabigay sa'yo. If you like this content and would like to follow my journey, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's run together and let's get healthier together.